Okay, so starting from now, because we're learning more advanced semantic constructs, Markov logic rule sets no longer can reason for us. So from this demo on, we're going to use Protege. But continuing with our way of writing ontologies, so I'm going to compose this ontology on paper, plain text file. I have my prefix. And here I say, using the example taken from the book, James Dean's movie is a new enumerated class. It only has the 3 members. There's no more member. Nobody can declare a fourth member, which is different from the 3. To make that even explicit, we can say that all those 3 members are different from each other. So I have those 3 different from each other. But I want to test out the reasoner. Can it identify a conflict if I add a fourth member? Not only I add the fourth member, declare it to be all different from the other 3, I also asserted that this is also a James Dean movie. This is obviously a conflict. You can tell this cannot be. The 3 statements cannot all be true at the same time. So I want to show you that using Protege, the reasoner can tell us there is a conflict. So I saved this file in my ontology in one of all different turtle file, and I download Protege from this website, and I can run my Protege by clicking on a link that's hidden somewhere. It's here. So now I can see file open because I opened it before, so I can just, not now. Come to here, open recent. Okay, so what we see here, first of all, let's look at the entities. This is our class hierarchy, and under thing, we only have James Dean movie. If we click on this, the system is going to tell us what has been asserted by us. So this class is equivalent to a list of things. So this is our enumeration. And we also told him that this movie is an instance of James Dean movie. And if we go to look at the individual information, we see 4 individuals, which is also declared, asserted in our ontology file. Click on one of those, you will see that we said those things are all different, right? So giant, and we asserted this movie is a James Dean's movie. We didn't make any assertion about the other 3 movies, but we said all 4 things are different. Okay. So this is what we already told him. It's just the system has presented what it was in the text file into this graphic interface. And now we'll start a reasoner. I tried different kinds of reasoners, and different reasoners has different capacities. For example, ALK is the most efficient, but the least powerful. Lots of statements it doesn't understand. So we'll use Hermit to reason. So we'll start reasoner. System tells us right away there is an inconsistency. So click on explain, the system is going to tell us what's wrong. Basically, the explanation tells us all those 3 things cannot be true at the same time. Therefore, there is a conflict. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to fix the conflict and how to help the system recognize that this Raymond Ball's movie is actually just a giant. I'm making that up. I don't know. I don't watch movie at all. But I'm going to demonstrate using the ontology to help the system to understand this is just an alternative name to, for example, giant. In the next video, we'll do that.